Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Adobe Illustrator export settings for print-ready business cards step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Set the document size to the standard business card dimensions, typically 3.5 inches by 2 inches. Make sure to include an additional 0.125 inches on each side for bleed. Set your color mode to CMYK for print. Design your business card within the artboard. Ensure important elements like text and logos are within the safe zone, away from the edges. When your design is complete, go to the File menu. Select Save As to save your Illustrator file. Use a clear, descriptive name for your file to easily identify it later. Next, go to File again and select Export. Choose Export As. In the dialog box, select the desired file format, typically PDF or TIFF for print. Check the box for Use Artboards to export only the area within the artboard. Click Export to proceed to the next settings. For PDF, select the Adobe PDF preset. Choose High Quality Print. In the PDF Options dialog, ensure to check Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities if you want to keep the ability to edit later. Adjust the compression settings if necessary, but typically, keep it high quality. Go to the Marks and Bleeds tab in the PDF options. Check the Crop Marks box to show where the card should be cut. Enable Use Document Bleed settings to include the bleed area you added earlier. Click Export to finalize your PDF. If exporting as TIFF, set the resolution to at least 300 dots per inch for print quality. Choose the appropriate color model, usually CMYK. Click OK to save your TIFF file. Once your export is complete, open the PDF or TIFF to review it. Make sure all elements appear correctly and the bleed is included. Your business card is now ready for printing with the correct export settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.